So now it's time to change the engine oil for my FZ1. So what I'm going to use is a Castrol Power One Ultimate 10W40 fully synthetic oil, and I'll be doing an engine flush. I'll change the oil filter. What I have now is Yamaha FZ1 998cc and 150 bhp. So today let me demonstrate how to do a engine flush using 3M engine oil flush, and let's do a oil change. Before we do a engine flush, let's take some of the oil from the oil sump so that it's easy for the engine flush to work efficiently. This is a 17 mm socket that I'm going to use. Have a measuring cup so that it's easy for us to know how much oil that we are going to take out. Make sure you tight the oil drain nut. Open the filling cap. This is an engine flush. Let's fill the machine with the engine flush. Once after we fill with the engine flush, let's start the engine. Make sure we put it in the paddock stand, and after starting the engine, let's put it in the first gear so that even the gearbox tend to get flushed. The temperature is low. Let's run the engine until it reaches 100 degree. Now I have left the engine for almost 20 minutes. Now it's cool. Let's drain the oil. Let's put back the drain bolt. Let's remove the oil filter. It's located here. Usually oil filters will be hand tighted. So let's put the oil filter. Apply some oil in the O-rings. Apply some oil in the O-rings so it's airtight. Just do a hand tight, don't over tight. Make sure it's not leaking anywhere. I have filled the oil filter with oil, left it for 30 minutes before I installed here. Let's fill the machine with the new oils. This is how the original Castrol cap looks like. All 4 liters of oil are opened. It's time to fill it. I've used 3 liters of oil and see how clean is the oil. Let's start the bike. Close the oil filling cap. Don't over tight, just do a hand tight. You can see the oil level is in the right place. Let's start the engine. Make sure the oil filter is in place. The joint bolt is tightened. My vehicle has done 52,005 kilometers. Temperature is low. There's no oil low indication. Everything is normal, no error code. Let's start the engine. Let's crank the engine. Run for some time, warm your engine, and then check for the oil leaks if any. If everything is good, it's ready to hit the roads. Check for the oil leak in the drain bolt near the oil filter. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.